My 2-minute conviction today is that leaders should compromise on opinions, but not on principles. I often get criticised, which is true, I think, of many leaders, of being stubborn and headstrong and directive because we make 35,000 decisions a day, and the research says of those, 70 of them are key decisions. And we move fast, and we don't want to dilute the importance of our vision and our strategy amongst our people. And so we can often be not open-minded to those around us. And here's my conviction: we should compromise. We should practice compromising on opinions, but not on principles. And an opinion is really a personal preference. It's just something that you uniquely think could be a better way of achieving something. Whereas a principle is an axiom of truth. It's a core value. It's a virtue that you're not prepared to dilute or change. And so, I think of principles that I wouldn't compromise on. People first, relationship over task. We tell the truth at all costs, and so honesty and transparency. We don't spend what we don't have. These are principles. Our products can't be released until they meet the minimum standards of excellence. These are principles that we don't compromise on. They're the what that we hold true to. But the opinions are like, what color should it be? What's the design of something? It's the process, it's the method. If principles are the what, then the opinions are the how we do it. And I should practice compromise because I don't have all the answers. And as a leader, I want to hold people to the principle, but be very flexible and very fluid and very accommodating on the opinions. And so we as leaders need to differentiate when we're giving input. What is the principle? What are the opinions? My 2-minute conviction is compromise. Compromise freely on the opinions, but not on the principle. Have a great week.